20 years, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Yes,
Only money that I want.
and to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Kuwisithunzi sobumbesi sirare chimuzulu. Ngilihambile lonke ibanga uzokuhlangana nawe. Manje sengikhona.
Angisohlala mina la. Chichempi. Usikazana nakho. Sambe semulweni. Manje ngilandeleni.
Hayi, mina ngizolala emzini kababa. Mina ngikhamba nomyeni nawe.
Woza.
And that, Batandi Bumkosi, is what we were expecting between Gogo Maweni and Gogo Skhotheni, but it looks like the pair have reconciled. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to all trending Mzansi. Batandi Bumkosi, after a long battle on social media platform, it looks like Gogo Maweni no Gogo Skhotheni, they finally made peace between each other. Hi, Bandla. Impela, because me personally, I was so ready, sengithenge ngisho ne camping chair, ready to sit down and watch the war between these two past friends. Please watch the following video.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm good. I decided to make this live because I feel like everything started here and it should continue here.
Okay.
So first things first, I want to know, what have I ever done to you?
I'm not going to be doing this again on a live. I'm not doing this again on a live. And I told you I'm only here for 10 minutes just to clarify that we spoke and we are cordial and we are civil to each other. I think other than that, I don't owe any other person but you, Baby Zhang, this conversation, which we've already had. So I'm not going to start again with the whole why we started fighting, where it comes from. We've already had the conversation.
So in closing, guys, but never even come
They're expecting a fight. I'm sorry.
In closing, I think what made people so nervous about this whole thing is that the last draw. Ne? So the last draw, guys, Maweni spoke to me about it. And if you see me with her, don't feel like she didn't talk to me aside. She spoke to me about it. We are okay. And there are certain things we won't entertain. But it came to a conclusion that she never did anything to me from where it started. I never did anything to her from where it started. So it was a good thing that we spoke about it, because all this time it was based on the foundation of the conflict between us. It was based on lies.
True.
Yeah, it was based on lies. What she thought, it's not true. What I thought, it's true. It was not true.
And the moral of the story is, if you have an issue, call me. If I have an issue, I will call you. It didn't have to go as far as it went, but I am happy that we were able to talk and resolve the issue as adults. And like I said, I do apologize. I do see my wrongs as much as we spoke, but I'm just not going to get into it on this thing. Yalona.
And it's not Monday and Sabole shame. It's not those two. Bona bao ba ithu ba ska nka credit batho ba nna.
There you have it, Batsandi Bumkosi. Gogo Maweni and Gogo Skhotheni have made peace. What about Dominic? Because when all of this started, he was also involved. Sisele ke thina emangeni. That's it for today, Bathandi Bomkosi. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.